Shortly after posting a video about AC Ripple, I had a customer come in and his refrigerator wasn't working. On an older coach like this, I automatically check for proper DC voltage and to see if it has AC Ripple. And then we also check the cooling unit. We want to make sure the cooling unit's good. So we do what's called hot rodding, where we put power directly to the heating elements, and do not attempt that if you're not experienced, because they can catch fire. So we did do that, and the cooling unit was good. As I suspected, this coach did have AC Ripple on it, almost 7 volts worth. And then I was curious, and I tried my other meter that I showed previously in the other video, where it would not detect AC Ripple, and this time it did. But I will always use my Fluke meter when I'm trying to detect AC Ripple. So I replaced the converter and retested the refrigerator, and it's working perfectly. So thanks for watching, and watch out for that AC Ripple.